Welcome back to Motor Mania. Today, we're diving into the 2024 Nissan Altima, a midsize sedan that blends style, comfort, and technology. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, this car promises to deliver. Let's explore what makes this sedan stand out. Close-ups of the car's front grille, LED headlights, side profile, wheels, and rear design. The Altima continues to impress with its sleek, sporty design. The V-motion grille and updated LED headlights add an aggressive yet sophisticated touch. Check out these 19-inch alloy wheels on the SR trim, they give it a premium vibe. And in the back, the redesigned taillights and dual exhaust outlets complete the look. Plus, the new Scarlet Ember Tintcoat color is a real head-turner. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin designed for comfort and functionality. The 2024 Altima offers optional leather-appointed seats, a heated steering wheel, and a spacious interior that comfortably seats 5. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system now comes standard on higher trims, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And with 15.4 cubic feet of trunk space, it's practical too. Perfect for daily errands or weekend getaways. Under the hood, you've got options. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 188 horsepower, offering a smooth and efficient ride. If you're after more punch, the 2.0-liter variable compression turbo engine in the SR trim cranks out up to 248 horsepower. And don't forget the intelligent all-wheel drive, providing enhanced traction for unpredictable road conditions. Plus, with up to 39 mpg on the highway, this sedan is as efficient as it is fun to drive. The Altima doesn't skimp on safety. Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite comes standard, including features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add ProPilot Assist, which makes highway driving easier and less stressful by maintaining your speed, distance, and even steering in certain conditions. The 2024 Altima is available in 5 trims: S, SV, SR, SL, and the Senior VC Turbo. Pricing starts at around $26,000 for the base S trim, while the top-of-the-line Senior VC Turbo comes in at just under $36,000. For the features you're getting, it's a solid deal. The 2024 Nissan Altima strikes a great balance of style, comfort, and technology, making it a strong contender in the midsize sedan market. Whether you prioritize efficiency, performance, or safety, this car has something for everyone. But don't just take our word for it. Head to your local dealership and test drive one today. Thanks for watching Motor Mania. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video.